There are three audible sounds in film. Verbal sounds.
It's peculiar. I'm older now than he ever was by 20 years.
Sound effects. And music. Together, they spark emotion and create magic. But what if all three were replaced with one voice? My voice. This is Sound Dubbed. The Star Wars Holiday Special, sponsored by General Motors. People building transportation to serve people. Now, today, I'm going to be using the tenderest cut of the bantha, the loin. The loin is very tasty and serves forward nicely. But of course, if your family has a hearty appetite, I would suggest the old popular holiday favorite, the bantha rump. Alright, the coordinates weren't the best. Out of the frying pan into the fire, no pal. How should I know we'd come out of hyperspace in the middle of an Imperial convoy? At least against these fighters we have somewhat of a chance. However slim. I'm gonna say that again. There's one life day we won't soon forget. Wait, I lost control of the remote cannons. I'm gonna have to run back and operate the AF gun manually. Stay on things here. Why do I always think taking you home for life day is gonna be easy? I'm in your mind as you create me. Oh, yes. I can feel my creation. I'm getting your message. Are you getting mine? Oh. We are excited, aren't we? Well, just relax. Just relax. Yeah. It's so stupid. Ah, I have made the connection. You may speak now if you wish. Mala, it's so good to see you. Happy Life Day. Oh, she says it may be a happy life day for you, but personally she's seen happier ones. I don't want to tie up the channels. So could you do me a favor and send either Chewbacca or Han Solo to the screen, please? She says that she would like to grant your request, but is quite unable to do so. You mean they haven't arrived yet? She says there has been no contact. Yes, I think I understand her message. That Imperial patrol must be giving them more trouble than we bargained for. Mala, are you alone? If you would permit me. No, she says she's not alone. She's with a friend. Well, could he come to the screen, please? Afternoon, ma'am. I'm Sondan. Local trader, a friend of the rebellion, and a member of the Alliance. Good. Look, I know I can count on you to take care of my friends until their leader returns. You'll do that for me, won't you? Yes, indeed, ma'am. That's what I'm here for. She's expressing her warmth towards the traitor. Look, I can see you're in good hands, Mala. I'll contact you again soon. Sam Steiner, what I tell ya? Must be Chewbacca now. Dum dum bum 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 bum. No 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 no. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Let's go. Dun 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 dun. Do do do. Dun 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 bum bum. Dun bum 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 dun 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 bum bum dun bum dun 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 bum 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 dun. Nothing up there. No 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 no. Go clean up your room. Bum 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 bum. That will keep him busy for a while. Bum bum bum. But now let's get started, shall we? First, find the sealed package containing all the tools you'll need. It looks like this. Try not to rip it open, because it makes a very handy storage case for your tools until you need them again. Now, this is the first thing you'll need. Please be careful not to hurt yourself on the sharp edges. Ow. Ting, ting, ting. Now, find the circuit breaker module. And by the way, let's start calling these components by their proper names. Circuit breaker module. Remember, every one of the 10,000 terminals on your circuit breaker module is marked with a particular color. Beautiful, aren't they? Like a rainbow. These must be connected to the wires with the corresponding colors. So, red goes to red, blue goes to blue, and so on. Now, watch me closely. Yeah, I'm gonna assemble our mini transmitters together. Let us work slowly and methodically because it's a job worth doing well. Well, I see time is running out, so we'd better turn our attention to the assembly of the Impulse-to-Voice Translator. The Impulse-to-Voice Translator. The very heart of the mini translator, which converts electronic energy that you provide into any of 1,000 recognizable languages. We must remain alert for this very complicated procedure. Endurance and concentration are the key words here, and total utilization of our neurocranial synapses is absolutely essential. We have two-way communication, Trader Sondan. Is this a report about the missing trooper? It is, sir. Trooper B4711 was here with 3 other men. They left and he remained. As soon as they had gone, he packed a lot of food from this house and he robbed me blind. Then he took off for the hills. Very well, we'll send a search party. Thank you. Yes, sir. Identification is very important. Helps you maintain contact with the Empire at times like this. Lumpy. Itchy. Chewy. Mala. This day is for you. Have a wonderful celebration. And may the Force be with you. Happy Life Day. Happy Life Day, everyone. I'm most certainly glad that you're alive to celebrate it. Yes, R2. It is indeed true that at times like this, R2 and I wish that we were more than just mechanical beings. And were really alive, so that we could share your feelings with you. All of you are an important part of my life, pal. I'm glad I could be here. This holiday is yours, but we all share with you the hope that this day brings us closer to freedom and harmony and to peace. No matter how different we appear, we're all the same in our struggle against the powers of evil and darkness. I hope that this day will always be a day of joy in which we can reconfirm our dedication and our courage, and more than anything else, our love for one another. This is the promise of the Tree of Life. We celebrate. Tonight on the CBS late movie, it's The New Avengers, followed by Sweet Hostage starring Linda Blair, only on CBS.